Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Chen April and a Flower inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails beige. For the first 4 nails, we'll be using dark green paint or polish to recreate the inner cover of the April version of Chen's album. I've added a little reference picture here so that you can see which part of the picture we're recreating on each nail. I chose to use this version of the album cover for this design because I thought that the simplicity of the line art really captured the aesthetic of this album. Seal everything in with a top coat. Seal in your design with a top coat. On the thumb, use a darker beige polish to write Chen. Seal in your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!